Welcome back to my channel Iraqi Dinar Data Update, where I provide updates on the Iraqi dinar and Vietnamese dong. Let's dive into today's news. Intel Guru MarkZ, via PDK, shared rumors circulating among groups tied to Indian nations, suggesting they have been advised to prepare for a potential currency release within days. He noted that mechanisms akin to those employed during Kuwait's currency revaluation are reportedly being reintroduced, drawing parallels to the significant benefits experienced by some Indian nations at that time. MarkZ is optimistic about this development. Meanwhile, Intel Guru Frank 26 highlighted the Vietnamese dong's promising potential, emphasizing Vietnam's growing role in the global economy as it increasingly replaces China as a source for goods and resources. Over the past 6 years, Vietnam's economy has demonstrated notable growth, with its modern, thriving cities likened to Dubai's rapid progress, reflecting its economic evolution and promising future. Similarly, newshound Guru Militiaman stressed the importance of monitoring Document 4805 from the Ministerial Council of Justice's numbering system, which pertains to the federal budget. While the 2024 budget has been printed, it remains unopened, leaving its contents speculative. However, there is hope that it may include a new exchange rate, potentially bringing significant economic shifts. Newshound Intel Guru Walking Stick explained that as Iraq halts currency auctions, the Iraqi dinar will require backing beyond the US dollar. While a basket of other currencies could serve this purpose, a more robust approach would involve backing the dinar with gold or Iraq's vast natural resources, bolstering its stability and strength. Iraq's currency benefits from not just oil reserves but also other abundant assets, showcasing its significant economic potential. In related news, Newshound UR discussed an article reporting a recent decline in the Iraqi dinar's value against the US dollar just before the dollar-selling platform's closure. This dip is expected to be temporary as the market adjusts and transitions to standard practices. The Central Bank of Iraq's diversification of available foreign currencies aims to reduce reliance on the US dollar, ultimately strengthening the Iraqi dinar in the parallel market. Intel Guru Frank 26 shared a boots-on-the-ground update from Firefly, who quoted Mr. Sami, stating the final step is for Iraq to detach from the dollar. With currency auctions ending, the introduction of lower denominations seems imminent, as Mr. Sami prepares citizens for these changes and encourages readiness. Intel Guru MarkZ, responding to expectations for the year, expressed strong confidence that significant developments could still unfold in 2023. Shifting focus to the broader global energy landscape, 2024 saw major European energy companies prioritizing short-term profits in oil and gas while scaling back climate commitments. Following Russia's 2022 invasion of Ukraine and soaring energy costs, firms like BP and Shell shifted strategies, reducing renewable energy investments and refocusing on high-margin fossil fuel projects. BP, which had ambitious renewable growth plans, opted to spin off most offshore wind ventures into a joint effort with Japan's JERA, while Shell paused investments in offshore wind, exited certain power markets, and relaxed carbon reduction targets. Similarly, Norway's Equinor reduced renewable spending due to inflation, supply chain issues, and rising costs. Analysts noted that geopolitical disruptions and high oil prices diminished incentives for executives to prioritize low-carbon transitions. Collectively, BP, Shell, and Equinor cut low-carbon spending by 8% for 2024. Though Shell remains committed to net zero emissions by 2050 while adopting a selective and cautious strategy in renewables. BP declined to comment but remains under scrutiny as energy firms navigate challenges and adjust commitments amidst fluctuating markets.